Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. Today's topic from VoiceOver Extra is taming your inner critic. Negative thoughts can prevent you from reaching your full potential. You must learn to tame your inner critic to develop a more productive dialogue with yourself. Here are 7 steps to tame your inner critic. 1. Become more conscious of your thoughts. Just because you think something doesn't mean that it's necessarily true. Pay attention to what you're thinking about and try to be conscious of the message that you're sending to yourself. More often, our thoughts can be disproportionate, biased, and even exaggerated. 2. Quit ruminating. You can't solve your problem by ruminating on something you did that was embarrassing. Talk about another subject. Organize your desk. Go for a walk. Use any kind of distraction to keep you from focusing on it. 3. Imagine a friend in your shoes and how you would advise them. If a friend is feeling down, you would encourage them with words like, "It's not the end of the world," and so on. Now, direct those compassionate words to you. 4. Examine the evidence. When you consider the evidence on both sides, look at it with rational, less emotional eyes. This will give you a much clearer picture of reality. 5. Use accurate statements to replace critical thoughts. For example, you can say, "At times I do things really well, and sometimes I don't," in place of, "I never do anything right." 6. Imagine your positive thoughts to be true. You can increase your confidence when you remind yourself that you're quite capable of handling problems. And number 7, balance, acceptance, self-improvement. Some days you'll do well, and some days not so well. Be conscious of your thoughts, accept your flaws, and decide to become better. This is Joe Lesh, your voiceover coach. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the 1st and 3rd Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra. It's time to get your mojo working.